Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preheating to 400 degrees F because high, dry heat crisps skin fast. Once the oven is heating, pat the wingettes fully dry to remove surface moisture. This is why they brown. Make sure to toss them with oil and salt so seasoning adheres and promotes even browning. Arrange each piece on a wire rack over a foil-lined pan. Spacing matters. Air circulation is how you get crispy skin instead of soggy bottoms. Once the wingettes are on the rack, slide them into the preheated oven and roast for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping at about 15 minutes to promote even color. Use an instant-read thermometer in the thickest part. You want 165 degrees F minimum because safety and juices depend on it. If you want extra crisp, make sure to broil for 1 to 3 minutes at the end. Watch closely. Broiling can char quickly and change flavor. You finish by letting the wingettes rest for about 5 minutes so juices redistribute, which keeps meat moist. If a wingette reads under 165 degrees F, return it to the oven for 5 to 8 minutes and recheck. Small pieces cook faster than large. If skin is soggy, make sure the rack was used. Then broil briefly or increase oven to 425 degrees F for a couple of minutes to crisp. Watch the color so you don't burn, and adjust time as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.